In this video, we are going to discuss how to enable the mobile banking on the Indian CBS Bank. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to follow these steps to get to know about it. So first thing first is download the Indian Bank mobile banking application, which is named as INDOASIS Indian Bank Official App, available on Google Play Store for Android and Apple Play Store for iOS. So this is the apps what app looks like. This is the icon, so you guys can download it legitimately, and it is made by the Indian Bank, as you guys can see it. So the next step is register for the mobile banking. So through net banking, log into the Indian Bank internet banking using your credentials, go to the service section and choose mobile banking and registration. So simply go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction to activate services. For example, enter your CIF number and then customer ID is printed on your passbook. Just enter that. Verify your account by entering the OTP sent to your mobile number, create a login PIN and transaction PIN, set up your account details to start using the mobile banking feature. So this is pretty much it. All you have to do is you can now check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and use other services through the Indo Oasis Bank application. I hope you find this video helpful.